What we do, unfortunately, in my opinion, is that things get tough, and I think we, as a community, we don't speak up. We don't do what Judge Thomas did or Lawyer Thomas did. When that bailiff came and said that he would throw him out of the window if he didn't go sit with the other black people, and Judge Thomas said, well, okay, I know what I need to do. And he waited until the judge took the bench. And then when the judge took the bench, he came back in and he then was able to try his case in front of that judge. I'm not sure how many of us still do that. And I by a moment of personal privilege, if I could, I was nominated to be a federal judge. And, and Senator Rubio, on his own, decided that that was not going to happen. And collectively, there should have been this is me saying this now, there should have been a fight. Why accept that? What was it about this person that you previously recommended that all of a sudden you changed your mind? And so that's the type of thing that made me become more reflective. And I'm sorry that it had to be something that happened to me that made me want to know more. And then made me want to say, now that I know more, I know we have to do more. And I don't mean William Thomas alone. I mean all the president of the Black lawyers, the president of the Haitian lawyers, the organizations, every lawyer. We got to be much more aware, and we got to have a plan, not when something immediately happens. Something happens in the street and we protest. And then all of a sudden, it goes away, and we protest again when something else happens in the streets. And then we go away, and then we protest again when something else happens in the street. I think there needs to be a plan. And part of that plan sometimes is working locally and then working your way up. School boards, commissioners, judges, police officers, doctors, lawyers, and we need more. So the struggle that so many people like Judge Thomas endured, it's something that I'm embarrassed to say that I had to learn way after the fact, and I should have known it a lot sooner. I would say that our history is not a burden. Our history is our asset. It's one of the most valuable things that we have that nobody can take away from us. And when you know it, not because somebody forced you to know it, but when you know it because you want to be able to grow as an individual, whether you want to be a lawyer, whether you want to be a doctor, whether you want to be a judge, it empowers you to be able to stand up and be righteous in the moment